Welcome to English with Pep. In this video, you'll be learning on how to make use of much or many in sentence. We are going to analyze the things that if you see in a sentence, you know whether to make use of much or many in that sentence. So if at the end of this video, you find this video interesting and educative, please kindly like, share, and also subscribe to enable others to see the video. All right, let's get started. So, many is used. The word many is used with plural countable nouns and verbs. When we talk of countable nouns, that are the things or the nouns that we can count, like tables, like people. Those ones are what? Countable nouns. So when you see a sentence that has a countable noun, you are going to make use of what? Many. And many is also used in positive statements that sounds very familiar. When we talk of positive statements, are the statements that do not have something like did not, have not. So those ones are what? Positive statements. Now, let's look at much. Much is often used with uncountable nouns and also mainly in negative sentences and questions. When we talk of uncountable nouns, are the nouns that one cannot count. For instance, like rice, like water, like emotions. Those ones are what? Uncountable nouns. One cannot count them. So when you see such sentence, or you have a sentence that is negative, that has something like I did not, I haven't, then you know that those sentences is going to make use of much. Or if you have a sentence that goes with what? Questions. So this is where much is applied. Now let's look at these exercises, the following sentences. Study the sentence and we know where to apply what? Much or many. Now let's go to question 1. The first sentence said, they need dash time to study the situation. They need dash time to study the situation. Now let's look at the sentence. They is what? Pronoun. Need is verb. Dash. Then we have time. Time is what? Uncountable noun. You cannot count noun. So they need dash time to study the situation. Since we have uncountable noun there, which is time, so the best way to make use, to put in that sentence to make it sound correct is much. So the correct thing is they need much time to study the situation. Now let's look at the second sentence. The second sentence is pilots need dash information about weather conditions. Pilots need dash information about weather conditions. Now let's analyze the sentence. Let's search, do we have any noun there? Okay, pilot is what? Is a noun, is common noun. Need is verb. Dash, then information there is what? Noun. And information, can we count it? No, we cannot count it. It's an abstract noun and it's also an uncountable noun. So the correct way to put there in that sentence is pilots need much information about weather conditions. Number 3, were there dash complaints today? Were there dash complaints today? Now, where were there dash complaints today? Now, let's look at the noun there. The only noun there in this sentence is complaints, which is people. Were there much people complaining today? And you know we can count persons. So since we have a countable noun there, the best way to go with that sentence is were there many complaints today? Now, the fourth sentence said The man has dash money to buy such car. So, let's look at the noun in this sentence. The noun in this sentence is money and car. But money in this sentence is uncountable noun. Money can be countable or uncountable, but in this sentence, what this money refers here is the amount of wealth that this man has. Wealth cannot be counted, but specific amount of money can be counted, but wealth cannot be counted. So to make this sentence grammatically correct, the answer will be the man has much money to buy such car. Now let's look at the fifth sentence. The mango tree is bearing dash ripe mangoes. The mango tree is bearing dash ripe mangoes. Now, are there countable nouns in this sentence? Yes, they are countable noun. Mangoes here can be countable. So mangoes can be counted, and since they are countable nouns, the right word to make use of in this sentence is the mango tree is bearing many ripe mangoes. Now the sixth sentence. The sixth sentence says dash institutions offer intensive courses nowadays. Dash institutions offer intensive courses nowadays. Now let's look at the word and the noun in this sentence. So institutions is the noun in this sentence. Institutions in this sentence refers to what? Schools. So many schools can be what? Counted. And in as much as school can be counted, the right word to make use of in this sentence is what? Many institutions offer intensive courses nowadays. So this is where we will end today's video. If you like this video interesting and educative, please kindly like, subscribe, and also press the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I upload new video. Thank you for staying with me, and thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.